What's up everybody, just arrived to Ubud, to central location. Milk and Madu is behind me. I'm heading in the direction of the Ubud King Palace and the art market. Many of you actually asked me to come here recently, and I'm also curious how it looks the situation today, to be honest. Is it busy? Is it quiet? I think it's quite busy, similar like it was. But let's see how's the construction of the market look like. An overall situation here in Ubud. It's already nearly 7 o'clock, just after sunset time. It's exactly 6:45, and that's the situation on the street traffic. It's actually Saturday. Yo! As you can see, people are happy on the motorbikes, not wearing helmet, no problem. Boys selling the ticket. And that's the construction of the art market. Looks like this one. Looks actually pretty nice. The roof looks still traditional, and well, it's empty inside still. It's not open. The construction looks like this one. They build this very fast. Actually, this is like 3 months ago was still only the the construction, like a metal construction. That's it. Now it's already full shape. How it's gonna look like? Let's see if the parking gonna be. And meanwhile, that's the traffic situation. I want to show you a little bit around. This is like a central location here, obviously. Well, taxi, stuff like this one. You can have your barong dance here. And yeah, Milk and Madu is there. Great place for the pizza or dinner also. And I think I'm just gonna show you around a little bit what's going on. A tourist situation and then visitors, I think pretty the same like it was actually in December, but let's see more. This is the Giant Monkey Forest regarding the market, the Pasar Ubud, already Pasar is market in local language. I think they're gonna open short, I hope so very soon. And this is the Giant Monkey Forest, little bit situation here. I'm gonna show you traffic next to the center as always, but next to Monkey Forest, when I was passing here, actually was very quiet. This is central location. I think I'm gonna tell you for the stroll with me a little bit, without fancy editing, without slow motion and all of the special effects. Actually, I think many of you actually enjoying the simple kind of videos. I think so, but let me know. Actually, you prefer slow motion and the cinematic shots, or rather like regular strolls like this one, so you can see what's going on. Secret gelato here and Bollywood Indian cuisine as well. And on the other side is tropical restaurant, also very good place for the hello. Somebody there. Very good location, very good place for the dinner and stuff like this one. Also little art market on this side, forgot the name, but that's how does it look like. And I'm gonna stop for a while, show you one more time. It's like a dinner time right now. Last time I was vlogging also at that time. Car full of happy tourists. Many actually tour companies are already back and bringing the tourists to Ubud, to Monkey Forest. However, in 2019, here the traffic was horrendous. Now it's still moderate, if I can say like that, which is actually okay. Too much is also no good, right? So many small boutiques now, so not that many empty buildings. So in the past 3 months, some people open some businesses around. Also happy to see this is the entrance to the market, but it's so dark there actually. But temporary, and some shops, a little bit of situation, very nice entrance to the house here, and the coffee shop actually. And that's how does it look like. This is Giant Monkey Forest. Somehow if you missed where I am right now, some happy tourists walking as well. Not so bad, really not so bad. Happy to see that everything is alright in Ubud. Nothing actually has changed too much except the market. Situation pretty similar. So many new boutiques. This is like a bamboo blonde, I think, or blonde something, boon blonde, blood blonde, something like that. Cinnamon here is here. This is something new. I'm not sure if it's original cinnamon or cinnamon, not cinnabon. So that's actually a different company, not the same. And made in Bali, and some of these small minivans coming with the tourists. And actually, traffic situation is already finished. Currently, it's actually when I'm filming now, it's literally 7 o'clock Saturday night. And yeah, it's not that extremely busy actually. I mean, not that extreme. It's just moderate, which is, well, that's how it is. It's middle of March 2023. just in case if you're watching this video later or not in the first 24 hours. Yeah, that's how does it look like. And this is the two fancy restaurants what I really like to be with these rooftops like this one on the one side of the street and on the other side of the street. Let's see how is it inside. Is it busy or not? I will have to cross the street first. Meanwhile, the Diva looks like this one. Actually, some people are strolling time to time. The sky behind the monkey forest is still purple. Sunset time is currently at 6:35 and Sami Warung is here. I'm gonna tell you, there's actually even table over there where you could sit right now and face the street. Not so bad, because usually when I'm there it's busy, but it was like this one, and that's the Warungs and overall situation. Streets like this one. More and more shops are come back. Tattoo shops here also come back. Piercing, tattoos, pina colada shop with the dresses for ladies. Everything is open. That's the biggest improvement, I gotta tell you. That's definitely without any doubts. And people actually strolling around. That's actually very good. Actually, I'm very happy to see that as the people are strolling around and the businesses are come back. I will come back now to the art market direction and stroll a little bit around over there. Sometimes some of you are noticing as on the screen when you are watching right now, especially at night in the low light conditions, they are like light dots appear on the screen. This is because of my camera reflection. It's something broken actually. I'm not sure what is it, but I made using this camera over 800 videos. It's just hundreds of hours of filming, and it seems like I need upgrade one day. However, well, you have to wait for a while with this one, and it's just simply reflection of the lights or the beams actually, especially the sharp one and LED one. So it's just the reflection. It's actually nothing serious, nothing wrong. Just in case if you ask or ever wonder what is it, especially when I'm making like a B-rolls and showing you, and there's like a dots, light dots on the screen. So all is good actually. It's just the reflection of the light. All right, so this is the other side of the art market. Construction is going and going. It's good. Even Paul Ralph shops are back in business. Unbelievable. There are so many in Bali of them because they have a factory in Bali, or at least they used to have. Let's focus on the market. That's how does it look like. I give them additional 2 months maybe, and they should open. I think so. They already put the welcome to Ubud Art Market poster, so definitely very shortly they're gonna open. And there will be very huge billboard screen actually, fancy. And there are some restaurants on the other side of the street. Also, it was pretty dark last time. Now they are more open. Definitely more and more businesses are open. That's without any doubts. And well, amount of tourists here, I think it's actually pretty the same or very similar. Pretty the same, I could say. And there is still even one empty gap. The restaurant didn't recover yet. All of this dark side is actually area of the art market, and this is the last corner. And next to it is actually Simply Social restaurant. Very nice place with good food, moderate prices. Very nice. Highly recommended in case if you would like to having a dinner in Ubud and you don't know where to go. This is one of the places. Also very busy actually. Recently, as you can see, always busy it was and it is till now. And meanwhile some small boutiques here. like this one, with the penguin t-shirts, for example. All right, and this is the central location, central junction, and where is the most busiest part of Ubud so far. Art market behind me, I'm gonna tell you, actually I'm pretty impressed how fast they build it. They're gonna open very shortly. Happy tourists working everywhere around. I think I have to come back in the next few days at the morning time for the breakfast. Well, tourists, the same amount as always, I think. And yeah, I still hope so, as there will be the parking area under the art market underground, like a basement 2 or 3 stories, one or something. That will be actually better, because this traffic jam is because so many people parking on the side of the road. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Actually, more later is more busier. So yeah, thanks so much. See you tomorrow.